Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Connie AZ21. So we're going to do a letter dot painting again tonight. This is going to be on a 5x7 canvas. The name tonight is going to be Sara. And I've already got my grid lines on here. Can you see those? Yep, there they are. Alright, so I'm going to write the name in here now, and we'll be started. Let's see, I'm going to start over here on my S, bring that around, and leave the tail. Alright, there it is. Now what I want to do is erase my original lines here, damp tool, Q-tip, don't need much, and get rid of all those unwanted lines. Okay, since Sarah's favorite color is purple, that's what we're going to use tonight. So I'm going to put some white, and I am going to use the Apple Barrel Purple Pansy. And I just put a little drop of that in there. And I'm also going to add just a touch of the pearl white metallic. I want to see if I can get a little bit of a sparkle out of this. Well, I like the way this is going, but I think what I better do is go ahead and do the lettering. So let me get that paint ready and I'll be right back. Okay, instead of just straight black, I decided to use the metallic gunmetal gray. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the other. Let me put this paint away and we'll start over. Okay, not starting over, just continuing with this last color I started. So, again, we're using the dotting tool again because I can get some little bitty tiny ones in here. Okay, I'm going to add a little more of the purple to this, so I'll be right back. Alright, added a little more purple to this, so it's a little brighter. And I'm going to use the 3 3 30-second punch. Time to add a little more purple to this. So be right back. You don't need to see me stir paint. Okay, we've added a little more of the, what was it? I forgot. Purple pansy. Okay, we're going to add some more purple. Okay, much darker. Let's see how. Ta-da! Much better. Well, I gotta add some more of the dark purple to this one more time, I think. Oh, I think that'll be perfect for the end. We're going to change the color of the name. I got to think about it for a minute, so I will be right back. Here we go. We're going to use the metallic sequined black. I think that will do just fine. Alright, so we're going to let this dry. Alright, we're ready to finish this up, and I need to put my sealer, which is going to be the Liquitex gloss varnish. And I have found if I turn it over and I take one of my little painting palettes and I lay it on the back, put a little bit of painter's tape to hold it. Just need a dab. On either side. Now it's off the board. There. Here's the back. Happy birthday, Sarah. And it's going to go on this little easel. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little video. If you did, I hope you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be happy to answer them the best that I can. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much.